Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find and access TikTok shop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to access and use the TikTok shop, you will need to navigate through your TikTok app. So simply tap open your TikTok app, and once you open it, you can simply find the TikTok shop option, which is basically referred by a basket like icon right besides the home button. But here in my TikTok, I cannot find this option as I am not from the country where TikTok shop is available. Currently, TikTok shop is only available in USA, Thailand, Philippines, and countries nearby. So if you are from that particular countries where TikTok shop is available, you can find it right over there, and you can find it by simply tapping on the shop icon. After this, you can also search for products within the app, and shop link will be visible over the creator's nickname. So if you are a seller, you can also access the TikTok shop through the start selling option after swiping to the right in the bottom navigation. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.